Welcome back to Rhino for Noobs. We're going to be looking at the DupEdge command this go around. All right, so this command has saved so many of my projects because if you have a shape and you don't want to have to draw this line, right, twice, right, and say you don't have a curve on a certain surface and you need it, right, you can type in DupEdge and it will take all of these lines that you have, hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and type join and check this out. It just drew it all for you. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type it in again, DupEdge, and it works on curves too. So now what I can do is I can take this, hit join, and then I'm going to drag it over here. And now you have the outline of whatever shape you needed.